this entire thing here, hold Shift and Alt, and we're gonna rename a few things. This gender right here is gonna say nationality. Nationality. Same thing for the name. Default value, let's go with American. And the name, nationality. The first one, American. Label, just copy and paste here. And then we're gonna say Chinese. Whoops. Chinese, Chinese. Oh, yeah. The reason it's displaying like that is because I did not close this grid item here. I need to close this grid item and open a new one. Whoops. So let's open a new grid item. We're gonna do 12 for small screen and then medium 4 for medium screen. Just delete that and voila. It's showing like this because of the size of the screen. I have it all smooshed up, but if I maximize my screen, I'm getting the full of what I want. Okay. One more time. We're gonna do our little magic trick here. Gonna copy this whole thing. Shift Alt, down arrow one time. If we hit save, we're gonna have a duplicate of the nationality, so let's change that. So what is this one going to say? It's going to just say include last name, question mark. And let's just call this include last name. Let's keep everything the same. Default is going to be false because that one is going to be a Boolean. All right. Our default value is going to be false. So let's do that. Name is going to be include last name. Value, include last name. Oh wait. Right here, this is what we need. Oh, I put include name. It should be include last name. Include last name. Let's bring that down so you can see it. Value American. The first one is going to be yes. Yes. No. No. And here we go. All right. So this is what we have so far. We have our form. It is not done. We now have to put in our buttons. All right. So we're going to create another grid item. This one is going to be it's going to take the full width. Let's give it a style. Actually, let's do something a little bit different. Let's do style. Margin left 0. All right, that's our grid. Let's do item. Our item. Let's do another grid container this time. Another grid container. Whoops. Grid container. I'm gonna do a spacing of 2. Oh, by the way, in case you're not familiar with Material UI, the spacing, its unit for spacing is 8 pixels. So if this is considered 16 pixels spacing, right? So we're gonna do grid item. This one for our button. If it's small screen, we're gonna give it the full width. If it's not, let's say half screen, and then we're gonna do button. A button, let's give it full width, and we're gonna give it a size of large. Why not? And size large. We're gonna do unclick, and we're gonna do generate name. That's that function that we had. And we're gonna pass it a variant of contained, and we're going to give it some text, generate. All right, so that is our button. See that? Our button now appears. I click on it. I'm not getting any errors because this generate function, even though it's not doing anything at the moment, it is a generic, it is a anonymous function that is not doing much, but we're gonna take care of that soon. We are going to create another grid item. We're going to give it the same width as our button, 6. And now we're going to use typography. By typography, we're going to align it. Actually, no. It's a text field that I need. Actually, you know what? Yeah. Let's do this one. It's gonna be the copyright that's supposed to be down below, and it's gonna be full. We're gonna do center. We're gonna give it a variant of subtitles 2. All right, and then we're gonna do our little copyright, you know, gotta copyright my own stuff here, come on now. And that little C is ampersand, copy, semicolon, and then we're gonna throw a little bit of JavaScript. We're gonna do new date, and from that new date we're gonna get the year, get full year function, right? And then we're gonna pass it my name, like this. We're gonna pass it my name, and we're gonna do all rights reserved. That would be legit. That is legit. Yeah, let's do it like that, and boom, here it goes, smack down at the bottom. Except I need to add some space here between the year and my first name. Thank you for your time, guys. Easy way to do that. Click right above. You'll see a link for the next video of the series. Where's our name going to be displayed? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the bell so that whenever I post a new video, you guys are first to receive the notification. Thank you for your support. Actually, hope it's been educational. Instead of 6, blessed.